If you're looking to buy or sell your home, you know you have to call those Callaways because they are amazing at doing this and they can help make the process so easy. And of course, we always love Kelly Callaway coming and telling us about another fantastic home.
I do have a great one today, and it's location, location, location. It's in the Magic 85254.
My favorite.
It is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath home with 3,309 square feet,
Nice.
tri-level. It's got a fabulous split, 2 bedrooms and a bath down and the rest upstairs. The kitchen is huge. All the rooms in this house are really large, very welcoming room for anything you want to do. It has a 3-car garage.
Nice.
But the backyard is one of my favorite things. It has a built-in barbecue, a sparkling pool. It has a grassy area with desert around it. Very, very low maintenance.
Oh, that's fabulous.
Yes, wonderful home.
And you know I'm going to ask,
Yes.
what's the price for this?
It is $525,000 in the heart of Scottsdale.
That is a great deal. And you know I love this home so much because this is my floor plan of my home, and I love this home and I love this area. So people definitely need to
Yes.
jump on this one really quick because it's going to go fast.
It is a wonderful home.
All right, and as always, I know if this isn't the home for them, that you're going to help them out.
I would love to.
Thank you.
Thank you.